TOT. Okay, so this is day TOT. Firstly, it's a very big set. I've only got one of them. It's very new, it's very big, and it falls apart quite easily. Okay, now let's start off with the minifigures. First up, we have a normal battle droid. It's just brownish, bluish colour with a black gun, no back printing, just the same, all brownish with a black gun. And then next we have the Trooper Commander. It is Phase 2, and he has the long gun, yellow armour, face, angry, back printing, not much. And next up we have Mace Windu, which is a very hard figure to find. It took me a while to find him in a set, but now I've got Mace Windu and he's the best. Purple lightsaber, brown head, printing on the belly. Got some great printing on the belly and the legs. No back printing, purple lightsaber. Next up we have another Jedi. He died in the Battle of Geonosis. I love the printing on the front of him. Custom head, I think. Green lightsaber, some back printing. And last of all but not least, our Commando Battle Droid. It's the same one as the last one, brown, but at the tip of the head it's a little bit yellow. Put a little bit of yellow in that one. And that's it for the minifigures. Okay, now onto the Turbo Tank. AT-AT. Very cool. Love it. And also, now let's get stuck straight into it. First of all, I want to show you these open. That swings around, up, down like that. You got some missiles on the side. This is what they do. They just fire out. Another one on this side. They fire out like that. I'll just go and get that. And the other one. Just put them back in. That's for the top part of the turbo tank, closest to the front. And this thing is for so you can pick it up easier. You grab it like that and you pick it up. Very cool, that little boozer there. Put two fingers around it and you pull up. You're going to transport it. And these doors open and close. Let's see if I can get that. Like that, and then they close again. Like that. And then we've got 4 guns, one here, one on the other side, and 2 down there. They can move side to side, up, down, and these ones can turn around. They go around and around, up, down, round, around. Never mind that. And we'll just turn this baby around. Now the back. We open this up, and there's some stickers, control panels on both sides, and in here there's a little crate, and in that crate is 3 grenades, and that's in case he gets attacked from the back and there's only one trooper in there. They can grab a grenade and 3 grenades and bomb them. This goes in the back there. And there's 2 gun holders here, some little red buttons. And there's 2 guns on the back. And yeah, that opens up and there's some flick missiles. Goes all out. Get a good look in there. And that's that. And at the front here, this part just opens up, and then you can put the clone commander, sit him in there, slide that back in, and then it drives the AT-AT, and also you can put another person up here, but it didn't come with 2 troopers, so you can put like Mace Windu, or you can put one of your own troopers in there, like that, and it shoots round and around and around, like that. Okay guys, that is it for the turbo tank. And I hope you like this video. Comment, subscribe.